Greetings, folks. This is Peter James, and welcome to Organizational Behavior. You have gone through week 1 of the course already, and I kind of wanted to welcome you again, re-welcome you to the course. This is the start of week 2, but I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of stuff to pay attention to. So this course, of course, this Organizational Behavior course is about what people do in an organization. Why do they act the way they act? You know, we're very different acting from the way we are at home versus the way we are at work, whether it's our perceptions and our actions and how we collaborate, how we just work with other people, how we talk to other people. We're going to study all of that type of stuff to include diversity, decisions, perceptions, and even emotional responses overall. So as you've seen already in this course, it's going to require that you stay active in the course room, pay attention to all my announcements, pay attention to the syllabus, the flow of the class, obviously, and the schedule of the class. The people who are most successful post early and often. They get in there and they do their work and don't procrastinate. Don't wait till Sunday to get all of their work done. I just wanted to give a quick highlight of some things that are coming up in the class. Of course, week 2, there's a discussion board that starts this week. I think the initial post is due on Wednesday, and you have to reply to at least 2 of your peers by Sunday, and that's on 3 different days of the week, so no posting all on the same day, obviously. Be sure to adhere to your referencing and your citation. I think by now I've put in an example of a great discussion board out there for you to kind of mimic a little bit, just as far as the flow goes a little bit. Pay attention to what I'm looking for in the rubric, obviously, and you'll do find that. And then lastly, pay attention to my feedback. I try hard to give you a lot of feedback and when I grade these items, so make sure you pay attention to it so that you can continue to improve each and every paper. No late discussions, meaning that after the discussion week is over, there's no late work allowed. For other assignments, there's a 10% penalty for any late work also. What else am I missing here? I'll talk about the organizational behavior final project in just a little bit, and actually the next video. So pay attention to that also. What other highlights do I want you to know about for sure as you progress? And also pay attention, 2 more things. Pay attention to the grading, the points that are needed to get the grade that you need to get, for that matter. So pay attention to that. That's in the syllabus, obviously. And lastly, your readings. The textbook is a great textbook. I've chosen it myself. It's not very expensive, but it has a lot of good content. Don't read it like a novel, but definitely skim, reread, reskim again, and definitely extract the highlights, the big main points from the textbook that are going to be necessary to do the discussions properly, to do your case studies properly, and to do your assessments properly as well. Speaking of assessments, you saw assessment number 1. Pretty straightforward. There's a timeline, of course, time limit. Make sure you have your textbook available to you. Make sure you already skimmed through it so you know where to go to. That's going to be very helpful also. And then your case study number 1, which is coming up due this week as well. Pay attention to APA formatting. Pay attention to answering the questions, addressing the questions, and you should be fine also. Let me know if you have any questions. My email is pjames@cod.edu. Look forward to hearing from you all. Actually, I think it's jamesp@cod.edu. jamesp@cod.edu. Thank you so much. Look forward to hearing from you soon.